the scoliosis kit. It's meant to help treat scoliosis, most specifically for scoliosis that happens in the lumbar spine. Now, most people detect their scoliosis through the thoracic spine or the upper back, and it's usually a coincidental finding, or people usually come in for a chest x-ray and then the x-ray just shows there is scoliosis going on here. Now, most of the time the scoliosis up here is just a compensation for a scoliosis that's happening lower down, or a problem that's lower down. It could be a shorter leg, a problem in the pelvis, or even a congenital issue in the last segment of the lumbar spine as it relates to the pelvis. So this particular case is going to try and correct for the lumbar spine type of scoliosis, because scoliosis happens higher up. It happens because the brain wants eyes to always be level to the ground. Therefore, if there's a scoliosis here, there'll be another scoliosis there. So once we correct this part here, the upper part will also correct itself. So for this case, we do have a level scoliosis in the lumbar spine. So therefore, it's going to the left, and then it goes to the dextroscoliosis scoliosis going up in the thoracic spine. So we want the pull to come from the left pulling to the right. So that's how we're gonna set this up first, okay? Now, we want to overcompensate for it, because studies show when the most effective types of bracing for scoliosis would be those that overcorrect. If you bring a scoliosis back to zero when it was, let's say, 20 degrees, usually you only get half to the halfway point in terms of correction, like 10 degrees. So you have to overcompensate for it to do that. Okay. Next, we raise this up so that there will be a stretch on the musculature, and then we tie the leg down. Okay, now since this is a level scoliosis here, we want to stretch it out the left, so that there would be overcompensation, right? And then there will be a pull from the left to the right. And then we start the machine, and it does pull the area for at least 20 minutes, and that's how we deal with scoliosis in clinic, aside from adjustments and muscle interventions.